In this video, we're going to be going over exactly what ghost, bot, and inactive followers are, why they're bad for your account, how to identify them, and step by step, I'm actually going to be showing you on my computer, step by step, how you can get rid of them. So bot, ghost, inactive followers are followers that you have that may just be bots, or they're people who are not actually engaging in your content, and they could just not be engaging for many reasons. They may have followed you a long time ago and kind of forgot you ever existed, and then they were liking other content that wasn't your content and changing their own personal algorithm to make it so that your content was showing up less. But nonetheless, these are people who are following you who are no longer engaging in your content. There's also bot followers that you may have that are just automation, that are bots that are set up to go and follow people, doing the follow and follow method, that may have followed you trying to get your attention and then never unfollowed you. So these are also people or followers that you don't really want to have, because it's going to negatively affect your engagement rate and then your content in the algorithm. So let's go over a little bit why these types of followers are bad for your account and your content. So we have to get into a little bit about how the algorithm works to kind of dive into how this is bad for your account. So the way that the algorithm works is once you post a piece of content, Instagram will test this content with a group of your followers, very small group. If it performs well with those people, it'll then shoot it out to a larger group of your followers. And it keeps stepping up and testing more and more of your followers, as well as testing your content on hashtags and the explore page to see if it's performing well there, and then shooting it to more people on those each respective areas, the hashtags, the explore page, and just your followers' home feed. So that's how the algorithm works, is it tests different groups and then works its way up. So if you have a bunch of these inactive followers or ghost followers or even bot followers who are following you that are not engaging in your content, not giving you engagement, Instagram may be testing your content with these people, seeing if they like the content, and because they're inactive and they're not engaging in your content, they're not going to be liking it or commenting on it or giving you engagement, which is in turn going to tell Instagram that your content is not worthy to show to more people. So this is why we want to get rid of these types of followers and make sure that your account stays healthy. I'm gonna pop in real quick right here. You know reading's good for you. I know reading's good for you. I know reading's good for me. I know reading's good for everyone. You should definitely be reading if you're not reading. It's the key to success. It's the key to taking in knowledge. It may even be better than videos. Don't tell anyone I told you that, and also don't stop watching my videos. But I just wanted to throw that in there because I'm trying to make some extra cash off of some referrals with the Audible program. So if you're looking for an Audible book or just a paperback book, check out the links I left down below. I left 3 of my favorite books. One is The 4-Hour Workweek, one is Building a Story Brand with Donald Miller, and the other one is The Power of Habit. All of these are really good books, especially if you're into marketing and business and entrepreneurship, and you really like those topics and want to learn more, check out the books I linked down below. It helps me out. Or just use the links and then go shopping on Amazon. That also helps me out. So yeah, sorry for the interruption. I'm gonna introduce myself real quick. My name is dnorris. I have an agency where I'm able to grow my clients' accounts by 400 to 1,000 targeted followers every single month. I'm gonna show the results up on the screen right now, and I like showing this just so that you guys know that I know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna announce the first winner of the $10 Venmo program that I started doing 3 or 4 videos back. I have the first winner for that, and this is the winner of the video of the hashtag or the shadow ban video I made a little bit back, and the winner is Nikki #0K. I'll show her up on the screen right now. She won the $10 Venmo. I still need to get a hold of her and get her the actual Venmo, but I'm gonna do that as soon as I possibly can. And also, if you want to win a shout out from my niche page that has 200,000 plus followers on it, all you got to do to enter to win, and I do this on every single video, is to leave a comment on this video, subscribe our recent posts. I know for this account, I'm probably gonna have a lot just because this account has 12,000 followers and I'm not getting that much engagement on my recent posts. I used to have a lot more. So there's gonna be a lot of people in here that I should be cleaning out. So what you wanna do is you wanna go through your whole list and literally just hold this down until you can export every single one of these people. I don't know if there's any other faster ways to do this. If you have like some sort of bot software like Jarvee or something like that, it's a lot easier to get a list of these people. But essentially what you're gonna want to do is just hold this down for a very long time until you have a list of all of them. And I'm gonna go ahead and just use this mini just for demonstration purposes on this video. So then what you do is do Control A, Control C, Control copy all of them on this whole page. And then we're gonna go up in here and you wanna make sure you right click, do paste special. So that works as well. I'm gonna select all these and copy them and then paste the values only. So now that we have that, I'm gonna go up to the top. I'm gonna put a new filter on this. Turn off filter, create filter, and then just do A to Z, or I guess we wanna do Z to A. Go down to the bottom where the first 0 is. All you gotta do is scroll down until you start getting to the zeros, and then just to select all these, you click on actually have to scroll down and do it little by little like this, which is fine. Or if you have a bot that'll pull the engagement off of some posts, that does work a lot better, but I know not all of you have access to a bot like that. So something like Jarvee would work well, or Mass Planner, something that's able to scrape all of the people who has been engaging in your content. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these ones for now. just for demonstration purposes. Cell function here equals v lookup, so just put that in, select the cell on the left here, put a comma, select this whole range, do F4, make sure those dollar signs get in front, put another comma, put a and now sort all of them to the top. So it looks like code followers or code travelers, since we didn't do the whole list for both, it didn't like match more than just code followers, but essentially every single person who engaged in your content should show up on your followers list, unless there's people engaging in your content that aren't your followers. So you're gonna go ahead and delete everyone that is not sorry, I did that backwards. So you want to go ahead and delete the people who do engage. You can delete this list of people as well. This row right here. You also want to make sure that this is a good name for a sheet. And now you want to go into Phantom Buster, which is going to be the website that is going to go through and automate all this for us. And I left a link for Phantom Buster down in the description, so you can just click that and get straight here. I already have this one running. I had a bunch of followers that I didn't want to be following, so I set it up to automatically unfollow them. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this one though. notifications in case of error, and then you go ahead and launch that. So there you go. That's how you go ahead and get rid of all of these bot inactive people who are following you. This is going to increase your engagement rate. That looks good for brands. It's just good in the overall algorithm because Instagram is going to show your content to more people. But yeah, I know this was a long process and this is a lot of work to actually go through and do. I think it's definitely worth it. So if you have any questions along the way, you know, you can ask me. Hopefully this helped you out a little bit. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. If you like the video, like it and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.